Want a K-drama that hooks you from the first episode? From romance to thrillers, these dramas will keep you binge watching. Let's dive in. 10. Business Proposal. With its fun premise, comedic misunderstandings, and sizzling chemistry, Business Proposal is a rom-com that grabs your attention from the very first scene. The story follows Shinhari, who goes on a blind date pretending to be her friend, only to realize her date is none other than her company's CEO, Kang Tae-moo. While Hari tries to sabotage the date, Tae-moo, unbothered by her eccentric behavior, decides to marry her believing she is her friend to avoid his grandfather's matchmaking efforts. The hilarious identity mix-up, combined with the instant attraction between the leads, makes this drama an instant hook. 9. Dr. Slump. Dr. Slump starts with an emotional yet comedic introduction to two former school rivals who reunite as adults both struggling with personal and professional hardships. Yo Jeng-woo, a successful plastic surgeon, has his career derailed by a scandal, while Nam Ha-neul, an overworked anesthesiologist, is completely burned out. Their unexpected reunion at rock bottom creates a compelling mix of heartfelt moments, humor, and chemistry that immediately captivates viewer. 8. Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. The light-hearted banter between the show's leads demonstrates their great chemistry. Two characters sitting on a beach and smiling at one another in Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. The first episode of Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha follows Dr. Yoon Hae-jin, who quits her city job due to problems with her boss and, after a series of misadventures and a viral mistake, finds herself in the coastal village of Gongjeon. Here, she meets the multi-talented Hong Do-sik, a quirky master of all trades. The two immediately clash but in the most playful of ways, including a hilarious scene involving a shoe exchange. Hae-jin's career crisis back in Seoul pushes her towards a new beginning in Gongjeon. The emerging chemistry between Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha's leads and the show's quirky humor make it utterly binge-worthy. 7. Crash Landing on You. This cross-border love story delivers one of the most unforgettable opening episodes in K-drama history. Yoon Se-ri, a successful South Korean businesswoman, gets caught in a storm while paragliding and accidentally crash lands in North Korea. There, she is discovered by Captain Ri Jeng-hyuk, a disciplined North Korean officer who must decide whether to help her or turn her in. The first episode is packed with action, suspense, and humor as Se-ri desperately tries to navigate the unfamiliar and dangerous territory of North Korea. The chemistry between the leads is instant, and the high stakes of the storyline make this drama impossible to pause after just one episode. 6. The Glory. Dong Yoon and Yo Jeng look at each other seriously in The Glory. For fans of thrillers, The Glory is essential viewing. For fans of dark, revenge-driven stories, The Glory is an absolute must-watch. The series opens with a harrowing depiction of Moon Dong-yoon's childhood, where she is brutally bullied by a wealthy group of students. As an adult, she meticulously plans her revenge, ensuring that every person who tormented her suffers the same fate. The first episode is an emotional roller coaster, setting up the heartbreaking backstory that fuels Dong-yoon's determination. With powerful performances and a chilling atmosphere, The Glory is gripping from the very first scene. 5. What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? This workplace romantic comedy begins with an unexpected twist. In the drama Kim Mi-so, the ever-efficient secretary of the narcissistic vice-chairman Lee Young-joon, suddenly announces her resignation. Young-joon, who assumes she's leaving because she's secretly in love with him, sets out to make her stay. The first episode introduces the show's signature humor and romance, with Park Seo-joon and Park Min-young's chemistry immediately shining through. The quirky dynamic between the leads and the playful misunderstandings make this drama incredibly addictive. 4. Marry My Husband. Marry My Husband wastes no time in delivering a jaw-dropping opening episode filled with betrayal, heartbreak, and an unexpected twist of fate. Kang Ji-won, a terminally ill woman who has endured years of mistreatment from her cheating husband and toxic best friend, faces the ultimate betrayal, her own murder at their hands. However, just when it seems like her tragic story has come to an end, she wakes up 10 years in the past, given a rare chance to rewrite her fate. With her newfound knowledge of the future, Ji-won embarks on a thrilling journey of revenge, determined to expose the people who wronged her and take back control of her life. The mix of fantasy, revenge, and romance makes Marry My Husband an instant must-watch with the first episode. 3. Queen of Tears. At first glance, Queen of Tears may seem like a typical chaebol romance, but its first episode quickly proves otherwise, immersing viewer in a heart-wrenching love story filled with raw emotions and unexpected depth. The drama follows Hong Hee-in, a cold yet elegant chaebol heiress, and her husband Baek Hyun-woo, a man from humble beginnings who married into her powerful family. Once deeply in love, their marriage has now become a distant and emotionless arrangement. However, everything changes when Hee-in is diagnosed with a terminal illness. As she faces the reality of her limited time, the icy walls between her and Hyun-woo begin to crack, leading to moments of rekindled love, regret, and bittersweet romance. The first episode beautifully sets up their broken relationship, drawing viewer into their emotional journey of rediscovery and second chances. 2. When the Phone Rings. When the Phone Rings immediately pulls viewer into a tense, high-stakes thriller with a shocking premise. The drama follows Baek Sa-eon, a successful but emotionally distant politician, and his wife, Hong Hee-joo, a talented sign language interpreter. Their strained marriage of convenience takes a terrifying turn when Hee-joo is kidnapped, and Sa-eon receives a chilling phone call demanding ransom for her life. As he races against time to rescue her, Sa-eon unravels shocking secrets about both his wife's past and his own, making him question everything he thought he knew. The suspense is amplified by unexpected twists, dark revelations, and the emotional turmoil of a couple who must fight for their survival while confronting their buried feelings. With an electrifying first episode, When the Phone Rings keeps viewer hooked with its thrilling mystery and intense emotional stakes, setting the stage for a gripping drama filled with twists and betrayals. 1. Lovely Runner. Lovely Runner captivates with its heartwarming blend of time travel and romance. I.M. Sol, a devoted fan, is given a miraculous opportunity to travel back in time and save her idol, Yoo Seon-jae, from a tragic fate. As she attempts to alter the course of history, their connection deepens, leading to a charming and emotional romance. The drama's strength lies in its ability to balance light-hearted moments with poignant emotional depth, creating a captivating narrative of love, destiny, and second chances. The viewer are able to feel the emotions of the characters very strongly. Which drama grabbed your attention the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more K-drama content. See you next time.